Sarvodaya High School, Sarvodaya Education Society was established in 1969 and we have completed 54 glorious years in the field of education. MRF has been always a helping partner from the time MRF was established in 1972 and they are also completing 50 years this year. Congratulations for a very big factory and the third factory in Goa. Our institution provide for all-round development, not only in the field of education, but total development of the students. We are imparting education for making our people to start a better career and opening new doors for themselves. Sarvodaya Education Society focuses on this very objective all these years and will also focus in the years ahead. It's not only formal education. SES also focuses on overall development of every student. SES inherits the creative capabilities of students, identifies and encourages them to have new generation of innovative thinkers who are prepared to solve future global challenges. We are extremely indebted to MRF Limited for providing modern infrastructure to our institution, which caters to the needs of our students through their CSR fund, and we also expect the same in the years to come, which will make our institution the #1 throughout Goa. This 2 days mega musical event was organized in collaboration with Parents Teachers Association, whom we are indebted, who have always given their full support for organizing various events.
We are here to recognize talent. We have recognized talent here. It is sometimes easy to recognize. It's either easy to identify talent. That is, singing or sports. It is quite easy. It is a little difficult when it comes to all the others. For example, I am not a good singer, not a very good sportsman. So what is the talent that I have? Each individual. Each of you students here have individual talents and are unique in your own way. So sometimes, we try to understand what is the talent that we have, and it is important to look within ourselves and find out our own talents. In this, over a period of time, we have been taught a lot of things in our organizations, and one of the things that this organization has taught us was how to recognize, how to identify talent. I'll give you 5 clues that you can imbibe and think about, which will help you identify your talent. Are there any activities that you yearn doing, that you feel that naturally come to you? That is the first clue of talent. Something that you love to do. Someday your hobby could become your future. Is there something that you learn fast? certain subjects that you learn fast, certain subjects you are very interested in, certain subject that you somehow you just you can go through the subject and you just learn. So that is also a talent. That helps you identify your talent. Similarly, what is it that you like doing? Because there is a flow, there is a natural flow to you. You feel that there are certain things that you love doing. So that's another identification of talent, another way of identifying talent. Is there something that you feel satisfied doing? You feel that you want to do that again. And any activity, any work, any subject maybe that you love, maybe that is your future. Or is there some activity that you do with excellence, certain glimpses of excellence? Maybe that is your talent. So just think about it, because maybe all of us may not be able to become singers or sportsmen, but there are others. Maybe we could become great doctors, maybe become great engineers, maybe become great environmentalists. So keep that thought in mind and look inside and look for your own unique thing that you are being made for.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.